Hello, my name is Mike from the Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking through a quick video tour of our Volvo XC90. So this is our 57 plate Volvo XC90. It's covered just over 115,000 miles from new. It's got a whopping 17 service stamps in the book, so it's really been well looked after, regularly serviced. Whilst in our care, we've given it a service, done disc and pads all round, a few little repairs for its MOT, given it a fresh MOT and a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. The cambelt was changed back in 2021 at 91,000 miles off the top of my head. And overall, the car's in pretty good condition for the age and mileage. Couple little marks on the paintwork here and there, as you've got to expect. It's a 57 plate that has covered some miles. But overall, it's quite a smart motor. Tyres are all in good condition. The rears look like they've been replaced recently. Inside, we've got heated leather seats, electrically adjustable drivers as well. AM/FM radio, CD player, aux input. It's a 6 CD changer as well. Cruise control, steering wheel controls. And as you can see, it's all in really good condition in here. A little bit of wear on the driver's seat, as you've got to expect. But overall, it's definitely a tiny motor considering the age and mileage. Good bit of legroom in the back. All looking good. And you've also got a whacking great boot as well. Really, really practical motors these. You've also got 2 extra seats that pop up from the rear just here. Very, very nice motor. This is the D5 engine. The Volvo D5 engines are known for their reliability. Automatic gearbox, all-wheel drive, freshly serviced, definitely looked after with 17 service stamps, and ready to go to its new owner. If you like this sort of motors, why not check out our website? We've got all of our stock on there, and if you have any questions or queries, please get in touch.